welcome you all. I am Rajiv Manji, and in this video we are going to write first Java program. It is nothing fancy about it, nothing too dangerous. Very simple program with just 2 or 3 lines of code to help you understand very basic structure that a Java program follow. So let us the first Java program. So first class name is first 1 2 3. Then public static void main string arg. System dot out dot println first Java code semicolon. Okay, save the program. So here eDrive class name first 1 2 3 dot Java, then select all file, otherwise text file. So save. Okay, the first structure is completed. Then understand the first class is used to declare a class. Then here the class name in this program first 1 to 3 is a class name. Class name always start capital. Then second, the main method. So here main method is a public static void main string arg. So there are 5 or 6 keyword are used in main method, but what is the meaning of particular public static void main? So here the public is a access modifier. So JVM can call access from outside class. So JVM will call the method. So until and unless it is public. So public is not access. So this is a method is a public. So here next is a static. So what is the meaning of static? So static means this method is not belong to an object. It belongs to a class or without belongs to a object. In Java, method with call using object, but at the time of compilation JVM will call this line will call. So this is the reason it is a static method. The next is a void. So void is simple, does not return any value. So main is starting with a program or code or the starting point of the program. So next, system. So system is a class name present in Java Lang package. So second, out is a static variable of type print string present in a system class. The next is a println. So println is a method to print on the screen or the console. And here the string args is a command line argument. So this program is execute. So first of all we have to goes into the command line argument, command line. Okay, so here this program is belongs to the E drive, so it goes to the E drive. Thereafter compile the program. So compilation, how to compile the program? Java C are used to compile the program. So how to execute? Java C, then file name. So in this program, file name is first 1 2 3, then extension of Java is .java. So how to compile? Java C first 1 2 3 .java. The compiler with help to generate to the bytecode. So what is bytecode? Here bytecode is a first abc dot class. Suppose we have to compile that program, so automatically first 1 2 3 dot class will be created. So at the run time of execution, thereafter the class loader are work. So what is class loader? Class loader run at the time of execution, then the class file or bytecode file is load by to the class loader. Then the bytecode verifier verify to the code or check into the code error or not. Then goes to the interpreter. So interpreter Java file name. So file name is first for FIR first 1 2 3. Then the interpreter read bytecode. Here the bytecode are already generated. So the interpreter read bytecode stream and executes to the instruction. Thereafter runtime, and once the class file generated to the output is stored to the hardware. This is the run time execution. So execute the program and find the output. It is the first Java code, then output is display here. So it is a basic structure and compilation method to compile the program and find the output of Java program.